Today we're going to be talking about how to add discounts to your Shopify store. So on the left hand side here, click on discounts, and you'll find that there are two different discount options. There are discount codes, and then there are automatic discounts. Now, it's very important to know the difference between the two, and this will become apparent quickly. Now, I'm going to go into the details of what you can set in terms of what your discount code does, what requirements it has to meet, all that good stuff. But before that, I want to make a couple things clear. First off, if you have a discount code, for example, this discount code here is $15 off the entire order as long as the customer pays for $50 worth of merchandise. So I'm going to copy that discount code. I'm going to go to the test order that I've already created here. And in the checkout, I'm going to put that discount code on my order. Since my order is over $50, I get that $15 off. Now if we go back to the discount section, you'll find that there's another discount code that I've already created. It's 20% off the entire order as long as you paid $50 on your order. Same sort of parameters as the other discount code. So if I copy that discount code, go to my checkout and try to apply that discount code, even though I already have a discount code here, you'll see that that discount code is overwritten by the new one. And that's because there can only be one discount applied to an order at any time. The reason why this becomes very important is when we get into automatic discounts. Automatic discounts are applied to an entire order automatically as long as the order meets the specifications that you've put for that discount. For example, this one here is 10% off the entire order as long as the customer has paid for $50. Again, similar sort of parameters as our two discount codes. So I'm going to actually activate this. So now this is an active automatic discount. So if I go back to my checkout and I refresh my page, you'll find that the automatic 10% discount was applied, my other discount code was removed, and I'll get this little warning because you can't have more than one discount at a time. So this means that if you have an automatic discount running, it will override any other discount codes that you have. So if your customers want to take that discount code that they found themselves or been marketed to and put it in, Shopify is going to reject that. So you can only have one discount, and an automatic discount will override anything else. Super important, keep that in mind. So now that we've got that out of the way, let's go through and let's actually create a discount code. For this first one, I'm just going to make an actual discount code, not an automated one. You'll find that the two are very similar in terms of their setup, but I'm just going to go through some of the specifics of how to create a discount code and what you can actually do with it. So in this case, I'm just going to generate a random discount code. You can enter whatever you want, so it might make more sense for whatever sale you're hosting. And then we get into what type of discount you actually receive. There's percentage, fixed amount, shipping, and then buy X, get Y. For percentage, fixed amount, and shipping, they're all fairly similar except for the obvious difference between you get a certain percent off your order, you get a certain amount off your order, or you get free shipping for your order. But let's go through and see what changes there are, other changes there are that we can make to our discount code. So let's say that this is a 10% discount. It applies to an entire order. If we wanted to, we could say that it only applies to a specific collection. So for example, we could say that this discount only applies to our ladies wear collection. So if they go to try and enter this discount code at checkout, you have to make sure that it's actually from only the ladies wear. Alternately, you could also say specific products. So let's say that we want to sell and get rid of the rest of our flamingo suit and our stylish blazer that we have in stock. So we want to really push the sale for that. So only those two products are going to be eligible for this 10% discount. For this case, and for most cases, you're going to want to have it on entire order. Minimum requirements. So this is what the customer's order has to meet in order for the discount code to be applied. You can say that it's a minimum purchase amount. So we could say, like our other examples, that it has to be at least $50. Or you could say that it's a minimum quantity of items. So we could say that you have to purchase 4 other items within that collection or within your order for this discount code to be applicable. There are some cases where you might not want any minimum requirements. For example, if we had our specific products, we might not want any other requirements because we've already narrowed it down to those 2 products anyways. In terms of customer eligibility, this can be very useful. Typically want to keep it on everyone. However, there are some times that you might want to specify which groups or which customers have access to this code or have a valid access to this code. So under specific groups of customers, there are a number of different options. You can have people that have abandoned their checkout, so they put things in their cart and then they've left. You can have email subscribers. You can have people from certain locations. You can have new customers, so customers who have never made an order on your store before, or returning customers who have made a purchase on your store before. You can also select specific customers that have already been put into your store either through you directly or most likely by them making a purchase on your store beforehand. So I could say only this person is affected by this discount. For now, I'm going to keep it on everyone. That's typically what you're going to want to do. You can also put some limits on how much this discount code can be used. You can limit it to the number of items this discount code can be used. So let's say only the first 200 people that use this discount code will actually be able to use this discount code. You can also limit it to 1 use per customer. So you could use these together so that people can't keep ordering using the discount code. Or you might just want them separate. Maybe you just want to say it's available to everyone, but I only want you to be able to use it once. Lastly, you can set your start and end dates for a discount code. Automatically, Shopify will set this to your current date and time. Let's say we wanted to promote this discount code and say that it starts on the 9th. And let's say that it starts right at the beginning of the day at midnight. And we could also set an end date. So let's say that we want this sale to run until the 23rd. It's automatically going to say the very end of the day on the 23rd. So that means that this discount code is active from that date to this other date. And then we could go ahead and save it. In this case, since it's just an example, I'm just going to discard it. Now let's take a look at the other options we have within discount codes. So again, we talked about those 3 at the top, but we haven't talked about buy X and get Y. And this allows you a little bit of flexibility. You can say that it has to do with a minimum quantity of items or minimum purchase amount. So with quantity of items, you can say specific products or specific collections. So let's say that you have to buy 2 products, and let's say it's from our men's collection here, for this to be eligible. And when you get 2 from our gentleman collection, then you're going to get 1. Let's say we want to specify our products as opposed to an entire collection. Let's say we get a specific product. Let's say you get your free choice of blue summer breeze dress for your girlfriend, wife, mom, or somebody you just really care about. Then you can say either this product is on discount or maybe you want it to be free. So as long as people order 2 from the men's collection, they get a free dress to go along with it. You can also set a maximum number of uses per order so that it prevents people from having this discount code added again and again and again. So I'm going to say 1 for now. There might be cases when you want more than that, but that option is pretty safe. Now the rest of the options that we have are the exact same as what we had before in our other options. Let's go to are automatic discounts. Now, our automatic discounts are exactly the same. Exact same options as we have as the discount codes, but you might want to be a little bit professional about what you put as your title. So as we can see here, when a customer goes to checkout and there's an automatic discount that's being applied to the order, it's going to say the title of that discount. So you're probably going to want to make sure that this makes sense and is very professional. Everything else, exactly the same. You might notice, however, that with an automatic discount, you cannot provide free shipping. There is a way of going around and making this work, but it's fairly convoluted. So just know, with automatic discounts, you can't do free shipping, unlike discount codes where you can. And that's pretty much all you need to know about product discounts on Shopify. Looking to improve your store? Hire a geek. We offer individual store optimizations, one-on-one training, as well as workshops. Check out the description below for more information.